quantitative mathematics. In this video, we are to select the bigger number. This is 3 raised to the power 5 raised to the power 4. Then this is 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 5. So let's see how we are going to do this. Okay. So let's take this one as the base. If that's the case, then we can put these ones in brackets. Right. So you have over here 3 raised to the power 5 raised to the power 4. So 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 5. So 5 raised to the power 4 is 625. And then 4 raised to the power 5 is 1024. So we are going to have 3 raised to the power 625, and then this will be 3 raised to the power 1024. Now since 1024 is greater than 625, we can say that 3 raised to the power 1024 will be greater than 3 raised to the power 625. This implies that 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 5 is the bigger number.